Just got some basic knop insulation, and we're going to put it inside the ceiling of the kitchen, as it's already open, and I just realized there's no insulation in there from before. Get in there, but yeah, it's all going to be inside there. I'm probably going to walk inside there and drop insulation in between the rafters on top of here, so I can break it up according to what I need. You can actually just keep giving me pieces. Keep filling it, doesn't matter if it's broken up. Okay, time to go up. Oh, it looks quite straightforward. First line of insulation. Okay, I'll go and do one little bit and come back. Bloody cobwebs everywhere with spiders. Are you able to pass me some more?
You in the thicker?
So I put one there. It's so difficult. Hello. Thanks. Throw it up and pass it to my way if you can. So here's the loft. I mean, not the loft. The kitchen roof. I just put the knop insulation. Leave a little bit left over. Yeah.